Did you know a machine built in 1772 could write you a letter in its own handwriting with a real quill? Pierre Jacquet Draws called it the writer. 40 fingers, 470 parts, and it could copy any text you gave it. No electricity, no code, just gears stacked so precisely they almost felt like thought. And then the world moved on. But imagine it didn't. Imagine these machines were never abandoned. Imagine they kept running, kept learning, accumulating something through brass and tension and the slow turning of wheels. Decade after decade, quietly becoming. Not intelligent the way we imagine intelligence. Something older than that. Something that remembers through motion. That carries knowledge the way a river carries stone, worn smooth by time. There is a certain feeling when you stand in front of something ancient and realize it has been waiting. Not broken, not forgotten, just patient. These machines were never really left behind. Maybe they were just working on something we haven't understood yet.